Hi everyone, I am Professor Khot from Walchand College of Engineering. I am working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department. I am attending here SolidWorks 2024 program organized by Dassault Systemes Pune in ADCET Asta through IFS Academy. So this program includes modeling, FEA, CFD and multi-body dynamics, that is kinematics. So such program is very useful for faculty of engineering institutes, and the faculty should get such knowledge. So this will be helpful for the institutes because such faculties will transfer this knowledge to their students, and if the students get such opportunity or hands-on for modeling, analysis and optimization techniques, so this will make these knowledge to the students job ready. So this will helpful to increase the placement of the institutes. So I think such programs should be arranged in every institute of engineering, every engineering institutes. So that will be helpful to the faculty as well as students. Thank you.